doing a photo shoot, and I'm going.
You look so hard, but you can't see it enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let
done. Hey beautiful people, welcome. My name is Nokubonga and you're my darlings of Xoxo and to life from Nokubonga Mkhabela. I hope you do stay, you subscribe and become part of this family. So I started this vlog with a little bit of exercising, and that is because I just started actually today to engage myself in a healthy exercising kind of program or challenge. So I've given myself a 28 days challenge of exercising just to be a little bit healthy. It is my first day today and I'm so tired. Like, I'm literally tired. Do ignore the noise. I was exercising outside, so there are people passing by because I am at the backyard. So yeah, do stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Do remember to subscribe, hit a like button and share the video. So yeah, let's just get this video rolling. What's in? Hey guys, so I'm doing a smoothie or a shake, and that's by Xoxo. Yeah, du hast uns verraten bei Life das nicht. Ja, das muss du uns verraten bei Life das nicht. Aber dann auch sie wird bei Life. I do not even know how it's gonna taste like real paper. Honest. Some. It's a commission.
Alright.
Popped out of the bath. Meanwhile, I go to steam my girl and continue my skincare routine. I wanna let these spaghetti be boiling, and then after I can come and continue the recipe I want to try. So there's this new spaghetti recipe I want to try, and it's already late, time is running out. So as it boils, I'll be doing my routine and streaming my girl. Then after that, I'll come and give attention to them. So anyway, let me go on. And everything. I'm just gonna go on, add salt to them, allow them to boil while I go and continue with my skincare routine and steaming. So it's steaming time. I went on and put 2 slices of lemon in the bucket, ginger, salt and water, making sure that the water is not very hot because you do not want to burn your coochie. So yeah, that is more like it. So the reason why I did a voiceover for this video is so that I can let you know the benefit of steaming with this concoction. So it does help with period pains, making your coochie fresh, does help with your hormone imbalance, as I'm somebody who is dealing with hormone imbalance. It does help with, have I mentioned cramps already? So yeah, it does have a lot of good benefits in which you will like if you will try this steaming process. Thank you. Steaming and moisturizing my body. I think the spaghetti is ready by now, so I'm just gonna go on and do the recipe that I was given. I'm kind of skeptical and scared because I've never like cooked spaghetti in this way, but then there's always a first time for everything, so they say. So the spaghetti kind of like dated my stove, but it's okay. It's something that can be cleaned. something that can be cleaned. Yeah, they are fully boiled. So I'm just gonna go on, chop some onion, green paper. Do I even have green paper? Yes, I do. Paper. What else do I need? It's spice. So the special ingredients for cooking these spaghetti ntontoni, it's this corned meat. I saw my sister using like corned meat. Actually, he was using tuna. Is it tuna? Yeah, and then she told me that I can also do it with corned meat. So that's why I'm actually trying this recipe today. So I'm just gonna go on, pour some oil. The onions and things. It's a thing, it's a stock, something like that. A little bit of the chop. It's top class spice. I actually love spicy things, but I do not want to add a lot of it because I'm going to be using corned meat, and corned meat already has salt. So guys, if it doesn't taste nice, I sometimes forget to, then at least I tried. It's the effort that counts. Hey guys, so I am going to be doing a photo shoot and I'm going to be showing you the behind the scenes. So it's going to be doing a photo shoot indoors in her house. So for that, I'm going to be using this ring light. It is a 16 or 18 inch from Dragon City, I can't remember correctly. Then to take the pictures, I am going to be using my phone, which is an iPhone 11. I'm going to be using the front camera, and I'll connect a Bluetooth clicker to it so it can be easy to take the pictures for myself. So I'm going to be literally showing you how I take pictures for myself behind the scenes. So I'm trying to grow my gram, and yeah, I gotta get used to shooting pictures. So since it's Vlogtober, I am gonna be showing you some of the behind the scenes as I take pictures. So I'm just gonna find a place to put the camera so you can see some of the things that I'll be doing, if it will be possible, but hope it will. So let's just go on and get ready with the photo shoot. Behind the scene DIY queen dealing with it. dark. I'm gonna go on, put back my bonnet as I go to sleep. So hope you did enjoy the video. Do remember to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts on the comment section. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you on my next upload. Bye.